How to link and unlink eFootball 2025 from Google Play. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application eFootball 2025. Once you're in this page, head over to Extras. Once you're in here, head over to Support. You'll see the option of Link Data. Click on it. So in this page, if you want to link the Google Play, then you'll see the option to Link on Google Play. Well, in order to link, you have to sign into Game Center from the device settings. After that, enter your login credential and then link your account to Google Play. Once done, now if you want to unlink, then what you can do is you have to head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, move into General and then head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application eFootball and then head over to it. Now click on Offload App. And then once again click on Offload App. Once the app has been offloaded, the Google Play will be unlinked successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.